And this is also in the overbought range. It is now on an 8 on the sequential. So I don't want to chase this one either, but like I said, this is going to all-time new highs. So this is another one to watch. Chrome, which we already went over, let's just take a look at that in the sequential. That's an 8. Also an 8. But this is the only one that has not broken out to new highs yet. That's why I do like this one. I still think there's room to run. That's why I bought 2 more options on Friday before the close, and it's already up in after hours. So I think this is gonna pop Monday morning. I'm up like 150 so far in after hours from Friday. Now, lastly, what I want to show you guys is an ETF, MJ ETF. Now this is pretty cool. If you don't want to go long on some of these actual stocks, you can buy the MJ ETF. It's an alternative harvesting ETF, which is cannabis. And if we take a look at this, this is very interesting. That we'll go to Yahoo Finance. MJ actually has all of these companies that I've been mentioning in the ETF. So you can buy this and have a less risk because you're buying a sector as a whole. You're not just buying CGC. You're not just buying Kronos. You're buying a bunch of them. So if one goes up and one goes down, you're pretty much hedged because it's the ETF. So let's take a look at this. If you look at the holdings here for the MJ, you're going to see all these companies I talked about. So here are the top 10 holdings by total assets. If we see this, you have Kronos Group, you have Canopy Growth, you have GW Pharmaceuticals, you have Aurora Cannabis, which I haven't talked about. That's another OTC. That's also in the running with Diageo. Diageo is also looking at that, along with Kronos Group and Tilray. So I'm actually long on MJ on this ETF. I bought some way out of the money calls for next year, April of 2019. I have, let's see, yeah, I have the April 18th calls at 40, and I also have the this October 19th calls at 35. That's 2 days after the implementation of cannabis goes live in Canada. So these are out of the money calls. Right now it's trading at $32, I believe. Yeah, 32.7 in after hours. I'm actually up like 50 bucks on this right now because I bought around 30. I bought the 32 underlying, so around $32 is when I bought my options, and it's at $32.70. So this is a great ETF that I like. It's nowhere near being overbought yet. I'm sorry, it is overbought considering the run, but it's not anywhere near its all-time highs. So there's at least $8 to go before the all-time high. So I think this is going to go up more. So that's another sector if you're interested in looking to get into the cannabis sector and you want to take a little less risk. If you don't want to chase CGC or TLRY, I don't recommend chasing CGC right now just because of what I was showing you with the chart. I like Crone, but if you're interested in getting into investing in this, try the ETF. It's a little safer, a little less riskier, and just buy out of the money calls and just sit on it. Wait till after October. Normally, I do not hold that long. I'm primarily a day trader, swing trader, but because this industry is about to take off, I'm going to invest in the long run and just add on dips. Probably be in these trades for a couple months for the MJ ETF. And before I wrap up the video, I just want to let you know I do have a Twitter account where I actually have real-time alerts on all my calls. I post my positions when I get in, when I get out. I show my profits. Here's my screenshot of my profits from Friday. My Crone trade, 12 contracts, I mean, up $401.84. But I have all my real-time alerts. Sold my AMD calls right here. I have my alerts from when I first bought my Crone, my AMD. Here's the big news. CGC big news, should have held my calls. Damn, oh well. Current positions August 15th. This is when I went long CGC as well as Crone and MJ, which I actually sold that first MJ, and then I bought back in on a dip. But all my positions are here. So I have real-time alerts, commentary. I post my videos, previous videos, all that stuff. So be sure to follow me on Twitter at LexTrader241. Also, as you know, I have my videos on my YouTube page. So be sure to check out my YouTube page for videos. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, I'll try to get back to you in the comments. But yeah, check out these videos. Check out my Twitter. Hope you like this video. And remember, this week, definitely pay attention to the stock tickers: CRON, TLRY, CGC, ACBFF, which is Aurora. Also check out CAN, some other OTCs, NUGs, CBSI is also a runner. There's just so many plays, mostly long, couple shorts. Yeah, so thanks for watching the video, and safe, happy trading. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.